Hi guys, welcome back to Spotlight with me, Kalalelo Twaile. Let's dive into this week's stories. Popular South African rapper Reason, who's also known as Sizwe, has found himself in the midst of a public feud after a podcast interview sparked some serious tension.
First of all, what you did was fucked up, it was wrong. And it was degrading and embarrassing for another individual, especially because you had no fucking facts.
During an interview with Piano Pulse, the host made comments about Reason's girlfriend, rapper Gigi Lamayne, questioning whether he had downgraded from his previous relationship with media personality Lud Love. The comments didn't sit well with Reason. He didn't just respond passively. Instead, he ambushed the podcasters, making it clear that his relationship with Gigi Lamayne was none of their business.
You don't come on here.
That would be your opinion.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Which is what I'm saying to you guys. You guys are out here running around talking about opinions. Let me tell you something, my nigga. I'm not the one. Don't fucking make opinions about me or mine. Don't make opinions about me or mine. I'm telling you right now in front of your face, in front of your platform. Don't fucking make opinions.
So then what happened?
Come here. Oh, don't talk. Don't fucking make opinions.
Next up, Lekau Sehoana, the founder of the popular sneaker brand Drip, is facing some serious financial struggles. Sehoana's company has entered liquidation, and as a result, some of his assets, including sneakers, furniture, and electronics, have been auctioned off. And lastly, Maskandi star Khuzani Mpungose is calling on South Africans for help. He's launched an initiative aimed at supporting local students with their studies, but he can't do it alone. Khuzani, who is passionate about giving back to his community, is seeking donations to help fund his cause, which aims to provide educational resources and support to students who need it the most. And that's all we have for this week's Spotlight. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next week.